Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with PepsiCo easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in PepsiCo, start by researching the company's financial health. Visit reliable financial websites to gather information on PepsiCo's stock performance. Look for key metrics such as earnings per share, dividend yield, and price to earnings ratio. Next, set up a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online broker that offers easy access to the stock market. Complete the required application process, including identity verification. Once your account is set up, fund it with an initial deposit. Transfer money from your bank account to your brokerage account for trading purposes. Now, search for PepsiCo's stock symbol, which is PEP. Review the stock's current price and historical performance in your broker's platform. Decide how many shares of PepsiCo you want to buy based on your investment strategy. Consider factors like your budget and investment goals before making your purchase. Place a market order to buy PepsiCo shares at the current market price. Alternatively, you can set a limit order to buy at a specific price. Once your order is executed, you will own shares of PepsiCo. Monitor your investment regularly to track its performance. Stay updated on news and trends related to PepsiCo and the food and beverage industry. Finally, consider reinvesting dividends to grow your investment over time. With these steps, you can confidently invest in PepsiCo and contribute to your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.